Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sell on Marketplace. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, you must open any browser on your PC and open facebook.com. Make sure you do have your account, log into your account and you will see this type of interface. You can see the Marketplace over here. Just go ahead and tap on it. Marketplace is a place where you can buy or sell products quite easily, and you can see that there is a filter upon here which you can see and how you can buy according to the filter. So you can buy anything from here. You can contact the seller as well, or you can just message them if you want. Now I'm going to teach you how you can sell the products. You can see selling here on the left hand side of your screen. Just go ahead and tap on it, and then you can see the create new listing. Go ahead and tap on it once again, and now there are three options: item for sale, vehicle for sale, home for sale, or rent. So let's go ahead and click on item for sale because I'm going to teach you how you can sell an item. Go ahead and tap on the item over here. After you tap on it, in a while Marketplace will load up, and now the options are being shown over here. The first step is to add some photos over here. You can see add photos. Go ahead and tap on it and it will take you to your file. So I'm gonna put this futsal boot over here. You can see in a while the photo will be updated. Now what you need to do is put your title over here. So the title of this is Nike Phantom GT Club. So this is the boot's name. Make sure that the title is correct because others will see this title as they buy it. Name your price over here. So the price for it is 7,500. If you want to add it, or if you want to give the range, you can just do 7,500, and you can keep the details as negotiable or anything like that. So the first step is to keep your photo, then you can go ahead and keep the title, the price, and go to category, which is over here. After you go to category, you can see the drop down menu will pop up, and what you need to do is choose some things over here like clothes, or you can just search for shoes, which is over here. If it is not appearing, you can scroll all the way down and find something like clothes, shoes, or you can see men's clothing and shoes over here. You can just go ahead and click on this. After that, the condition is given over here. We can sell second-hand or first-hand products. So there are conditions like new, used like new, used, good, or fair. So this is a new boot which I'm selling, so I'll just go ahead and tap on new. So about more details, you can click on this drop down menu and you can write UK 7, or you can write 43, or whatever this is. So there are something like coat style over here. If you don't want to keep this, you can just ignore it, and you want to see fit. You can see that this fit is not needed for in case of boot. For brand, you can write Nike because this is a Nike boot. So the description is, this is the new Nike Phantom GT Club boots. So you can write something like this upon the description of the thing which you are selling. You can see the availability over here. There are two things: list as single item or list as in stock. So if you want your items to go fast or sell fast, you can keep this as single item because people will be quite troubled to buy it faster. So you can do this, and you can write some tags like Nike, boots, football, futsal, and any tags which will relate to the product you are selling. After that, you can scroll a bit down and you can see the optional over here. So you can do this, and you can see the location over here. You can change the location as well. So let's go ahead and keep your location. Then you can see the meetup preferences. Buyers will be able to see your preferences on your listing. So there are three types of preferences: public meetup, door pickup, and door drop off. Talking about these, you can meet at public location if you click on public meetup. But if you want to drop this and the buyer wants to pick up at your door, you can click on this. Or if you want to drop off at the buyer's door, you can do this as well. So if you want to provide the extra service, you can charge a bit extra as well. But if you want to meet up at the public place and sell it, you can just click it. and you can see hide from friends option over here. You can hide this selling product from your friends quite easily. This listing is still public but will be hidden from your friends on Facebook and messengers in most cases, so you can turn this on if you want to hide this product from your friends, and go ahead and click on next. After you click on next, you can see that this will be listed publicly on Marketplace, or you can suggest yourself to join a group and post this on a group as well. So you can go ahead and click join group and post this on a group as well, or else you can just post this on the Marketplace. Go ahead and click on publish. After you click on publish, in a while you will publish this listing or this product to sell. So this is how easily you can sell. Go to seller dashboard, which is over here, and you can see your product. So this is quite easy. You can see your listings over here. If this product is already sold, you can mark this as sold quite easily, and you can tap on yes sold on Facebook, or you can see that there are options like yes sold everywhere, no haven't sold, or I'd rather not answer. So you can tap this if you have already sold this product. So if you want to make it available, you can do it with just a simple tap. If you want to share this with your friends or in a group, you can click on share listing and you can share your product quite easily. And if in case you want to delete the listing, you can click on this three dots over here and click on delete listing over here. Or else if you want to change the price or the description or the title of the product, there is something called edit listing over here, from which you can edit all of these. Now, if you want to add more products, you can just go ahead and click on create new listing over here. And if you want to sell your bike or sell your home, you can upload the photo of your vehicle or your home and add the personal details of your products, and you can easily sell on Marketplace. So guys, this is how easily you can sell on Marketplace. I hope you try this. If you have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.